Hey, BreitWerks here. What are we doing? The most polarizing thing in engine building. We are going to use some Plastigauge to check our clearances on those seven main bearings. So, yes, we'll bolt this thing together and let you see what we got. To Plastigauge or not to Plastigauge? That is the question. All right, we got the mains all torqued down, proper torque sequence. And when I do these Plastigauge checks on the main bearings, I don't put in a number 8 and I don't do any of the perimeter nuts. So we're going to take this thing apart and see what we got. To Plastigauge or not Plastigauge should not be a question because it's not that hard to do. It takes a little bit longer and you build the engine twice basically. But as you can see, we are good. We're at like 051, which is perfect for what this 3.2 crankshaft is supposed to be at. So now we can sleep well at night. Our measurements all worked, and now we have a double check. Lets us sleep well at night. Thanks for watching. Check out BreitWerks.com.